Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF of 404 and 96 using prime factorization method. For finding the LCM and HCF, we need to find the factors of these numbers. So let's write the numbers and find their factors. So our first number is 404. As it is an even number, it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0 and 2 times 2 is 4. Again we can use 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2. So now we have 101. 101 is a prime number. It is not divisible by any of the numbers. So here we are going to stop, and the factors of 404 will be 2 times 101. Now let's find the factors of number 96. So 2 times 4 is 8, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 3, 3 times 1 is 3. So the factors of 96 will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now we know the factors of both the numbers. First we'll find the HCF of the two numbers. For finding the HCF, we're going to take the common factors in between the two numbers. So let's circle out the common factors in between the two numbers. Here we see that this 2 is common to both the numbers. So 2 is common, and one more 2 is common to both the numbers. And that's all. So the HCF of the two numbers will be the product of the common factors. So HCF will be 2 times 2, which equals 4. So the HCF of 404 and 96 is 4. Let us now find the LCM of the two numbers. For finding the LCM, we are going to write the factors of both the numbers once again. So this is 2 times 101, and 96 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So for finding the LCM, we are going to first write the factors in terms of their exponents. So this will be 2 square, as there are two 2's. So this will be 2 square times 101, and 96 factors will be 2 raised to power 5 times 3. So LCM is the product of the highest power of common factors. So LCM will be, let's mark the highest power of common factors. So here we see the power of 2 in 104 is 2 square, and in 96 is 2 raised to power 5. So we will take 2 raised to power 5 for power of 2. For 3 it will be 3 only, and for 101 it is 101. So the LCM will be the product of all these three factors. So the LCM will be 2 raised to power 5 times 101 times 3. So LCM equals 2 raised to power 5 is 32 times 101 times 3, which equals 32 times 303, or LCM equals 3 times 32, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 3 is 9. So that's 6969. So 9696 will be the LCM of the two numbers. So this is how we find the LCM and HCF of the two numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.